Topic of today's discussion is transferable skills. Have you ever seen our cricketers play football on the field? Not only does it help in the warm up, but it also teaches them a thing or two about football, which they can use in their cricket game. That's a real world example of transferable skills. Now, another example I want to give is that of Lego. Imagine you have a box full of Lego, you're using each of those individual boxes to create like a toy plane. Now, each of those blocks are actually set of transferable skills. So you might ask, what are the transferable skills? The first is your communication, your second is your problem solving ability, the third is your critical thinking ability, and fourth and fifth are teamwork and emotional intelligence. So why care about transferable skills? The first important reason is they serve as a foundation for lifelong learning. The second important thing for the transferable skill is that it allows you to transition to a new career relatively easier. And the most important, I believe, the reason is it creates a future proof career for yourself. So these are the reasons why you should be investing in transferable skills.